Huh?
What?
Come again.
What'd you say?
If you or a loved one are having trouble understanding what people are saying when you're wearing a face mask, stay tuned for some helpful tips and tactics and some information on how to claim your $20 gift card.
Stop, huh? What? Come again, what did you say? With Best Hearing Aid Solutions today.
Welcome to Best Hearing Aid Solutions. Did you know that the sound of someone talking is typically reduced by up to 12 decibels with the use of a face mask? That's a lot, and at times like these, we should all be taking the necessary precautions to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. As part of that, the wearing of face masks will probably be a fact of life for the foreseeable future. A recent study published by Signia Hearing Instruments revealed that normal hearing individuals, I repeat, normal hearing individuals, can expect up to a 30% decrease in speech understanding when the speaker is using a properly fit N95 mask. When combined with the effects of social distancing, being 6 feet apart or more, well, that just further compounds the problem. Now, for those of us with a hearing loss, the use of protective masks make it extremely challenging when trying to communicate. For that reason, we at Best Hearing Solutions wanted to offer some helpful practices to keep you hearing your best, as well as trying to communicate while wearing a face mask. The first tip is always try to face the one you're talking to. As we engage in conversation, the way sound is projected from our mouth simply makes it easier to understand if we're facing the person we're talking to. Seems obvious, but a lot of people just don't do it. Next, it's important to communicate where there's good light. Try to make sure the light falls on your face and the other person's face too, so neither speaker is in shadows. It helps to have eye contact, and as you probably know, language and other visual cues are important and a big part of communication. Also, consider an approved clear face shield to maximize lip and facial cues. As mentioned before, it's much easier to communicate when we can see the other person's facial movement. Plus, wouldn't it be nice to see someone smile in public again? The next tip is get close as you safely can. Of course, you want to observe the social distancing requirements, but remember, speech sound quickly dissipates in background noise, so it's especially important in noisy environments. Also, try never to have a dialogue on important matters while in a different room, walking some distance apart, or in a noisy area. Next, try to use clear speech techniques. That means don't shout or over-articulate. Instead, speak slightly slower, clearly. Insert occasional pauses into your speech. This technique has been shown to significantly improve speech understanding for people with hearing difficulty. Also, if you have to repeat something, try to rephrase your question or statement rather than just saying the same words over again. You see, certain speech sounds and letter combinations in words make it difficult for people with a hearing loss to understand, so mix it up with rephrasing. Also, try to minimize environmental noise. It can be a noisy world out there, so try to have conversations where you're not competing with too much background noise. Lastly, write it down. It may sound odd at first, but if you know that you're going to need to relay complex instructions, directions, or lengthy numbers, have the information ready in written form to minimize communication errors. Well, I hope that information was useful to you. And just remember, if you need service or adjustments to keep your current hearing aids working their best, or if you want to try out the latest technology, don't hesitate to call Best Hearing Aid Solutions. We're all over the Houston metro area, so just call 713-322-8315. And as promised, there's a special offer with this video. If you're one of the first 5 callers to mention the promo code FACEMASK when scheduling your free hearing evaluation, you'll receive a $20 gift card. Our offices are open and staying safe with the necessary best practices and infection control protocols, so there's no need to worry about crowded waiting rooms or sick people in our office. That's just not a thing here. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, remember to click the like and subscribe button. And if you'd like to receive notifications when we post our next video, just click the little bell. Thanks again.
Stop, huh? What? Come again, what did you say? With Best Hearing Aid Solutions today.